In 38, we want to have some statement here that most effectively sets up the main idea of the following two sentences. So let's figure out what that main idea is and then get to the question. So the next two sentences are, in addition to supervillains, the new, soon-to-be iconic characters of the age, Spider-Man, the Fantastic Four, and Hulk among them, had to cope with mundane, real-life problems, including paying the rent, dealing with family squabbles, facing anger, and so on. Okay, so these are the two sentences, and we want something that best sets this up. The fact that they were provided with origin stories often involving scientific experiments going wrong doesn't really do anything to set this up, so let's see if we can find a better option. B, reflected the increasing conservatism of the United States in the 1950s. Again, doesn't really have anything to do with what's being said here. Engaged in bizarre adventures frequently inspired by science fiction. Again, nothing to do with what's being said next, but if we are told that they're more, quote, realistic than their golden age counterparts, that's somewhat related to what's being said here, right? We're told that basically these heroes had to cope with, actual real life problems that you and I have to also cope with. So that adds, a bit of more, realism, if you can say that. So D is going to be our answer here. It best sets up these sort of examples of the descriptions of how these new characters were different.